everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My hair is like looking all weird today, but I'm going to be doing a little fun video. What are you doing, this dog? Come here, come say hi. Come say hi. You gotta say hi, come on. It is a tradition. Look, say hello, my name is Rocco. Hello, man. Hello. Today we are going to do a little makeup tutorial, aren't we? Maybe turn the brightness up a little bit. Or is that too bright? I think that's too bright. What's going on? Is that too bright? I think that's too bright. I'm like struggling to breathe. No, I don't have corona. I just cannot breathe. Like, it's just because it's really freaking hot in this house. In our area, we are in Victoria. So yes, as you know, like all Victorians have to wear a face mask. Just because that is the rules now. I really honestly think it should have been mandatory from the start. Everywhere wear a face mask, and that's just my opinion. Anyway, so we are going to do a makeup look revolving around the face mask. So normally I haven't been wearing makeup. I study on Tuesday and Thursdays, so that is really the only time I put makeup on, or else if I'm going to work. I haven't really been wearing much makeup lately, and when I do wear makeup and wear the mask, because where I'm studying is in Victoria and where I live is in Victoria, we have to wear masks. So this is a mask that I made. I think it's super cute. This is just one of them. I've made 2 others, and I've made heaps for other people. So normally when I do the makeup, what, you want to go out now? Is that what you want? Bloody hell. I don't know what I was saying. What was I up to? Because someone really interrupted me. No. Anyway, so normally when I wear a mask when I'm going to go study and whatever. Anyway. So when I wear a mask, I normally just put foundation on. This is what I've been doing lately. Just foundation, powder, and just brushing my brows through, like with some brow gel and maybe a little bit of bronzer, and that's about it, because obviously you can't see my lipstick. You can hardly see my cheeks, so no need for blush or bloody highlighter. We're going to just, I don't know if I want to do like a simple mask look, or, you know, be like, boom, pretty mask look. I haven't done, oh, look at my ears. Yeah, I did this one a little bit too tight. So, love that for me. But how cute. It's got little flowers on it. Breathe in these things, but it's better than catching the disease, I suppose. So at me, why aren't you like zooming in? Oh my god, is my camera broken? Okay, no, why is it wibbly wobbly? Oh no, I've ruined my hair. Oh my god, I haven't done like a makeup tutorial in so long. I probably will forget. It's like a water with a little bit of whatever was in leftover, so I'm just trying to hydrate my face. Now, I think I'm gonna go for a little bit more of a dramatic kind of look. Not like really dramatic, but like just like natural glam, you know, because obviously we're not doing lips. We're gonna be focusing more on the eyes, so a little bit of glowing powder liquid on my face. Mana Illuminator Glow. Oh, Mana Gra. I honestly just don't know how to pronounce that. Mix these two together. This is the, what is this? This is the Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation, and yeah, I'm just gonna put like a little bit of this porcelain color on because I am as pale as it goes. The only thing I don't like about this foundation is it's not that full coverage. I'm just going to put a little bit of the darker color on and mix it in as a mix, you know? Oh my god, I haven't done makeup in ages. Like, I mean, like a nice makeup look in ages. Doing this all to just wash it off again, all for a video. Oh well. I honestly was so bored and I was like, oh, there's nothing to do. I was literally just like about to cry from boredom. I don't want to cook because I've been baking too many like sweets and junk food lately, so I'm just like, no, we need to have a break from cooking because I'm gonna turn into a freaking elephant if I keep eating and making all this junk food. So wow, the magic a little foundation can do. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline matte powder and I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and put all the powder on my face, you know. Dab dab dab, dab dab dab, dabby dab dab, dabby dab dab. I actually moved my camera around, like my little ring light, so it could see like everything in the background, because when I had it over on the other side you could only see so much, so I was like, alright. So next we're moving on to bronzer, and I'm going to take my, if you guys know, you know, my $1 powder. This is from like the what shop is it even called? Shop Miss A. Super cute. And I'm just going to put a light but nice amount on because obviously our face is going to be covered. So okay, so now that that's done, simple, cute, not too extreme, love it. I feel like with the mask you can just see, so yeah, we'll put a little bit of highlighter on. Everybody, I just can't believe that it's been so long since I have done like a proper full glam makeup look. And just a little bit on the nose. Oh, why did I even bother with the nose? Because, you know, it's going to be covered anyway. Maybe at the top here, might not be. Beautiful, beautiful. What I'm going to do is use my little lip exfoliator from e.l.f. just to exfoliate my lippies because they are very, very dry. Very dry, especially like being inside the mask and not being like having any oxygen or like, you know, I don't know if that helps dry out your lips, but see, it just makes them look a little bit more redder, plumpier, you know. You can use a little bit of lip balm if you want, because keep those lips hydrated under there. It's not something that I do, but for the sake of the video and the sake of my lips, I'm going to Steve Laurent Beauty. I think I got that in like a Bella box thing. I don't know. Now, lately I haven't been filling in my eyebrows due to the fact that I have been tinting them in quarantine. I am going to add just a little bit of colour because I'm not satisfied with how the tint has been working. So I'm just keen to watch the footy tonight, even though it's not my team playing. My team has been doing poop this year, let's just say that. And no, I'm not Adelaide Crows. Sorry to the Adelaide Crows supporters, that's a bit sad, but maybe next year. I am a North Melbourne supporter. I think they're like third or second last, so I mean that's not the greatest deal, but I have hope for them in the future because we are going to kick some ass with these young players. Okay, don't you forget it. So now moving on to eyes. What are we going to do? Are we going to do? What should we go with? Like the pattern coat? Like what would that be? There's like blue in there. There's like red in there. Like blue and red? Or is that too extreme? Are we going to do just something simple? Oh, I don't know. I'm thinking just like a blue and then like a brownie color on the lids. Like, you know, like a... Oh, let's just go with the flow. Alright, I'm going to take this color blue from the Sylvia Garnier BH Cosmetics palette. This used to be a palette, well still is a palette that I go to. This brush has a bit of purple on it. Oh wow. Why am I going to look like freaking Harley Quinn because of my hair? No, I did not decide to do. Oh my god, and I said blue and red. Ha! Imagine. Harley Quinn at your service. I did this one a little bit too dark, but that always seems the case. One eye works and the other eye doesn't. Okay, so that is my blue eyes. Like I said to you, we are going with the flow here, so let's go with that blue. Maybe a green. God, green. Maybe this purple colour from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette is called Gumdrop. Maybe that might be a nice little blendy out thingy-majiggy. Yeah, see, I'm not good with that makeup terminology, am I? Sometimes I get frustrated with these colours, like the Jeffree Star palette. I don't know. Sometimes I find it just a little bit chalky. Like, I still like it and everything. Oh, that's a nice colour in between. Look at that. I haven't done a glam makeup look like this in a very long time, so it's probably not my finest work. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, we've got this bright blue colour called To Work from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Should we use that? Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Alright, let's do it. We're just going to spritz the brush. That's pretty. Okay, that is the blue on my... Oh, I feel like it just does not look good. Anyway, I'm going to try and do a winged out eyeshadow look. At last, my love has come along, and I have lost my sticky tape. Where's it gone? I've lost my sticky tape. Whoa, this is really bad. Whoa, this is really bad. I need my sticky tape. Oh, I don't know where to go. Oh no. Right, I found, anyway. Oh god, now here we go. I can't stop. Help! This is why I don't do that accent, because honestly, when I start it, I can't stop. Shut up. Okay, let's try and do like a blacked out smoky eye, okay? Give me a second, okay? This is what I'm going to try and do, okay? I've got my mirror down here. I'm still here. Don't go anywhere. Do something like this. And it's not gonna look good, is it? Nah, you watch, it's gonna look like crap. How does that look? Does that look crap or bad or good? I don't know, these mirrors are so dirty. Alright, ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Hold on. Wow! And the black that I used is from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Wow, no, it's like the way that the wing, oh, like the little, oh, I am like so shook at. Alright, I'm gonna try and do this with the other eye off camera. Wow! And I'm back. Alright, this is the finished look that we have come up with. If I only had like eyes like this. And it goes so well with the mask.